adding an additional page and merging multiple documents into one. In some cases you need additional pages. Just simply make another copy of your document and use the copied one as additional page. At the end you can merge the documents in one document. Insert tab allows you to subtly merge documents. Locate object, press a small triangle next to it, and click Text from File from the drop-down menu. After that, you can select files to be merged into the current document by pressing and holding Ctrl to select more than one documents. Note: documents placed at the top will be merged in the first place. Therefore, please sort and number each target document in case that you want to keep a certain sequence for your documents. Thanks for watching.